Welcome to our live show. Welcome, guys. Welcome to Doing Holdings live show. Now, our live show is starting past. If you have any question or if you need the equipment of edible oil, you can enter our live show. We can provide equipment for extract soybean oil, rapeseed oil, peanut oil, coconut oil, or cottonseed oil, and so on. Our company is mainly produce equipment for extracting edible oil. Entire process edible oil equipment we can provide for you. So if you have any question or if you have some need about equipment, you can enter our live show and I can introduce for you. First, let me introduce our company. And if you need equipment for extract edible oil, you can enter our live show. Learn about our company, our equipment, and our strengths. Our company is Doing Holdings. We were established in 2011 and has 14 years experience in manufacturing the edible oil production equipment. And our company mainly produce equipment for extracting edible oil, such as soybean oil, rapeseed oil, cottonseed oil, peanut oil, sunflower oil, and palm oil or palm kernel oil, and so on. Entire process extracting edible oil equipment we can provide for you, such as pre-treatment, pricing, and solvent extracting oil, refining oil equipment. This process equipment we also have. So if you need extract oil production line or single machine, we can provide for you. And our company has its own Okay, wait a moment. Wait. Welcome, guys. Welcome to our live show. Welcome, guys, to our live show. Guys, if you have any question or if you have some need about extract edible oil, you can enter our live show and I can introduce for you. Okay, wait a minute. I adjust the device. Okay, welcome. Welcome to our live show. Welcome guys to our live show. Guys, if you have some need, you can enter our live show and I can introduce for you. Guys, if you have any question or if you have some need about extracting the edible oil equipment, I can introduce for you and you can learn about our equipment and our company. Our company is mainly produce equipment for extracting soybean oil, rapeseed oil, cottonseed oil, palm oil, palm kernel oil, and so on. If you have any question, you can type them on comment area and I can answer it for you later. And if you need for quotation or configuration plan or selection guide, you can find our WhatsApp number or our contact information from comment area. Welcome guys to our live show. And today our topic is the peanut oil and rapeseed oil, soybean oil pre-treatment and price production line. I will use the 3D video to show this common oilseeds process production line. You can see the comment area. You can see the 3D video. Same time, learn about our company. Our company has its own factory and engineer team. We can supporting specialized, customized. So if you have some need about the configuration plan, our engineer can design the process plan for you. Welcome guys to our live show. We're doing holdings. We mainly produce equipment for extracting soybean oil, rapeseed oil, cottonseed oil, palm oil or palm kernel oil. We can provide equipment for you. If you have some need, you can comment. You can type them on comment area. And now let us watch the 3D video to learn about peanut pre-treatment and pricing process. We will introduce the equipment and the process of the production line. And about the peanut oil production line, the first step need to separate the husk and kernel, because the husk outside has many impurities such as soil, and the leaf from the plant, and will have some mental impurities. First spread the kernel and husk can remove many impurities. And next is the cleaning. We will use 3 equipment to remove the impurities. The first is the vibrating screen. The next is this. This is a magnetic spreader. It can absorb the mental impurities to decrease the mental, destroy the subsequent machine. And the last one is the distoner. After cleaning, the impurities such as soil and soil, metal impurities, leaf on plant stalk can remove from the raw material, and then the peanut kernel will fall down to the crusher. Crusher there has many roller. It can destroy the peanut kernel structure through squeezing, and the peanut will be split 4 to 6 parts. And next is softening. We'll use this softening pot. And the last step is crushing. Spread the peanut become for many parts. That is convenient. The softening adjust to increase the plasticity about the peanut. Welcome guys to our live show. Welcome to our live show, guys. If you have any question, you can type them on comment area. And sales needs advice. We can provide free quotation or selection guide for you. Okay, thank you. If you have some need about our equipment, we can introduce our equipment or our company. And if you want our equipment, or if you want the extracting edible oil equipment, you can find our contact information from the comment area. There has our WhatsApp number and our WeChat number. Okay, our assistant also can reply it for you on comment area. Okay. Okay guys, you can see our comment area and my assistant reply it for you. Hello guys, if you have any question, you can type them on comment area and I can reply it for you. Now I'm introduce our peanut pre-treatment and pricing process. We can learn about our process, our extracting edible oil equipment for you. Okay, continues. Let me continue our introduction. And okay, after softening, the next step is flaking. We will use the flaking roll. In this step, the peanut will be destroy structure thoroughly by squeezing and thoroughly, and after breaking, the oil seed will become the thin slice. It is easier to adjust the temperature and the moisture and internal moisture. The next step is cooking. The cooking score is adjust the temperature and internal moisture before pricing. It is make the oil seed fit to price, makes the oil yield is higher. And next, the oil seed enter the pricing. The crude oil, peanut crude oil will be discharged by squeezing, and the and the crude oil will flow down to the oil residual scrubber. The oil residual scrubber where has many filter plant, and it also is a conveyor. So some oil residual and some fiber can live on the filter plant and sent back to the pricer to price again, and the crude oil will be sent for the clearing oil tank. The last step is filtering. We will use the leaf filter. Except this leaf filter, we also have a plant filter can use for filtering. We can equip different scale equipment according to your need. And if you have any question or if you have some need, I can answer it for you. And next filtering, the crude oil can be pumped to the oil storage tank. For next step, for example, if you want the crude oil can become the oil product, we can equip refining machine for you. And if you have some need about other extracting oil machine, we can equip entire process equipment for you. Okay, next let's see the large-scale sunflower oil pre-treatment and price production line. First step is cleaning, and we will use these three equipment for cleaning. The first is vibrating screen. They have specific safe we will use safe to remove to spread the impurities and sunflower. And then the next cleaning machine is a magnetic spreader. Is this the silver clone? There has many magnet. Internal has many magnet, and it can absorb the metal impurities to decrease the metal impurities destroy subsequent machine. And the last cleaning machine is the destoner. It can remove the stone with sunflower through the gravity and the gravity different. Okay, after cleaning, the next step is husking. The sunflower will fall down to the holder, and there has many ruler to break the sunflower husk, but the sunflower kernel is complete. And then the kernel and the mixture of kernel and husk will enter the bucket elevator sent to the kernel husk spreader. This is the kernel husk spreader. That has the fan upper, and the husk will enter the upper part. The sunflower kernel will fall down, transported to the flaking. This is a flaking roll. Welcome guys to our live show. Guys, if you have any question, you can enter. If you have some need or if you have some question about extracting edible oil equipment, you can enter our live show and I will introduce for you and I can answer your question. After cleaning, the sunflower will enter the flaking roll to destroy the structure thoroughly. And after flaking the complete sunflower will become the thin slice. And then the mill will enter the cooker. This is a layer cooker. We will use a high temperature and some water to adjust the sunflower meal internal moisture and temperature to make the sunflower, make the raw material fit to price. Welcome guys to our live show. Guys, if you have some need about extracting edible oil equipment, you can enter our live show and learn about our equipment. Now I'm introducing the sunflower oil pre-treatment and price production line. We will introduce our process and our equipment. If you have some need or some question, you can type them on comment area. This machine is a presser. There has some screw to press the sunflower, makes the oil discharge from the raw material, and then the crude oil will flow down to the oil residual scrubber. This is the oil residual scrubber that has filter. They have filter plant, and this scrubber also is a conveyor. The impurities and fiber will live on the plant and then sent back to the presser for press again, and the crude oil will be transported for the clarifying oil tank. The last step is the filtering. We will use the filter to remove the small impurities from crude oil. The crude oil will be cleaner, and the crude oil finally the crude oil will be pumped to the oil storage tank for next stage. And after pressing, the oil residue will fall down to the screw conveyor. Then sent to the oil residual package workshop. Okay, next let's see the rapeseed pretreatment and press production line. Because the rapeseed, the size is small and it not has husk, so the rapeseed pretreatment and pricing production line just divided 5 steps. First is cleaning, and second is flaking, then is cooking, and next is pricing. The last one is filtering. In cleaning step, we also use the vibrating screen. There has sieve, and the impurities will spread from the rapeseed through shake. And next, the oil seeds will enter the magnetic splatter. There has some magnet observe the metal impurities. The last cleaning machine is a distoner. Through these 3 machines, can remove entire impurities, such as soil, leaf from the plant, and stone, metal impurities. The oil seeds will be cleaner, and the subsequent machine lifespan will be longer. Okay, after cleaning, the oil seeds falls down to the flaking roll. There has some roller, and the oil seeds structure will be destroyed rolling, and after flaking, the oil seeds will become the thin slats. And the structure of cell will be broke. Next step is cooking. This in the video we use is a layer cooker. In this cooker, we will adjust the temperature and the internal moisture, makes the oil seeds fit for next stage to increase the oil yield. The next stage is press. The oil seeds enter first down to the presser through the conveyor. This presser can control temperature to adjust press temperature extremely. And after pressing, the crude oil will flow down to the oil residual scrubber, and the scrubber will send the fiber and some small impurities oil residual back to the presser to press again, decrease the oil waste. The crude oil will be sent for the clearing oil tank for temporary storage to control the production efficiency. And the last step is filtering. This is a leaf filter. That automatic is higher and don't need worker to clean. So large-scale production line, we will equip this filter. And if your project is small scale, we also have plant filter can be used for filtering. Welcome guys to our live show. Guys, if you have any question or if you need equipment for extracting edible oil, we can provide equipment for you, such as soybean oil, rapeseed oil, sunflower oil, peanut oil, palm kernel oil. These edible oil extracting equipment we all can provide for you. So if you have some need, if you have some question, you can type them on comment area about your capacity and your raw material. We can answer them for you, and we also can show our equipment and introduce feature of our equipment for you. Okay, the next video. This video is soybean oil pretreatment and price production line. First step still is cleaning. With 3 machine to remove all impurities. After cleaning the soybean, will be cleaner, and then we'll first down to the crusher, because the soybean size is bigger, so it needs to be broken. In this machine, the complete soybean will be broke for 4 to 6 parts. This step can reduce the subsequent machine beer. Welcome Welcome guys to our live show. We are doing holdings. We mainly produce equipment for extracting edible oil, edible vegetable oil machine, all we can provide for you. And after crushing, the soybean will enter the softening pot to increase the plasticity of the soybean. And next is flaking. Through softening the soybean oil will easier to be a complete slice. Will not produce excessive powder. So this step is to adjust the state of oil seeds to enhance the oil yield and make the oil seed mills more completer. Okay, the next step is after softening is flaking. Flaking is after flaking, the oil seeds will become a thin slice, so squeezing will be easier to adjust to internal moisture and temperature. This step goes to this step purpose of enhance the oil yield. And the next one is pricing. This is a pre-treatment presser. The presser upper is a cooker to adjust to the oil seed temperature before pressing. Okay, after pressing, the crude oil will be discharged by squeezing and then flows down from the side of the presser, flows into the oil residual scrubber. The fiber and some oil residue will be sent for presser, well sent back to the presser for press again, decrease the oil waste and crude oil be sent to the clearing oil tank. The next step is filtering. After filtering, the small impurities such as fiber and oil residue will be removed from crude oil, and then crude oil be pumped to the oil temporary storage tank. Last step is the oil seed meal will be discharged and then forced down to the conveyor sent to oil seed package workshop. Okay. Next, let's use picture. Let's use picture to learn about our equipment. We'll introduce our equipment feature, and if you have some need or if you have some question, you can type them on comment area and I can answer it for you. We have many kinds of press machine. The first is hydraulic oil press machine. Its capacity suitable for more than 25 kg per hour. And if you want press some high oil content oil seeds, you can use the hydraulic oil press machine, and its capacity is lower. It's suitable for peanuts, flaxseed, sesame, rapeseed, sunflower, and more than 30 kinds of oil seeds. Its advantage is multi-purpose. It is suitable for many kinds of oil seeds, and it is small footprint. Don't need many square meters, and it is cheaper. It's easy to operate, but if you use a hydraulic oil press machine, you need a worker to operate it. Guys, if you have some need about the extracting oil equipment, you can enter our live show. We're doing holdings. We mainly produce equipment for extracting soybean oil, rapeseed oil, cottonseed oil, sunflower oil, palm oil, and palm kernel oil, and so on. So if you have the need, you can enter our live show and type your comment on comment area. Welcome, guys. Welcome to our live show. We're doing holdings. Our company mainly produces equipment for extracting soybean oil. And now I'm introducing our equipment. If you have some question, you can type them on comment area. And step 2, press machine is screw oil press machine. Its capacity is larger. It is suitable for 1.3. It's about more than 1.3 tons per day, and it has high degree of automatic, and it is also suitable for many kinds of oil seeds, such as peanut oil, flaxseed, sesame, rapeseed, soybean, cottonseed, and so on. But the walnut kernel not use this press machine because the walnut kernel internal has many oil. Their oil content is higher. Use the screw oil press machine will be slap. So if you want press walnut kernel, we recommend you choose the hydraulic oil press machine. And the screw oil press machine also has many advantages. It also is for many kinds of press many kinds of oil seeds, and it has a high automatic. It's also cheaper and it's easy to operate. The Okay, the next one is a double screw cold oil press machine. It is suitable for cold pressing. So if you want if you want to cold press peanut oil and add the coupling oil seeds, you can use the double screw cold oil press machine. And capacity is more than 10 tons per day. It's suitable for tea seed, peanuts, flaxseed, sesame, rapeseed, and so on. It will give you high oil yield and can decrease the residual oil rate. The type 4 is oil press machine with filtering. If you just want buy one equipment, you can choose this type presser. It suitable for peanuts, flaxseed, soybean, cottonseed, and more than 30 kinds of oil seeds. It can control internal temperature, automatic, and it has different capacity, different skill. For you can choose it according to your need. And after pressing to filtering, it will increase the oil quality. The next, the type 5 is large oil press machine. There has a presser and the upper part has a cooker to adjust the oil seed temperature before pressing. It is better to control to increase the oil yield. And this large oil press is suitable for medium and large scale press plant. Its efficiency is higher. Its advantage includes high degree of automation and high efficiency, large capacity. Its capacity needs more than 9 tons per day, and this equipment can use for PLC system control. Don't need worker to control. The next equipment is used for palm oil and palm kernel oil. For palm oil extracting, we have 2 kinds of presser. The first one is the single screw palm oil presser. Its capacity is 300 kg per hour to 500 kg per hour, and its capacity is smaller, but it's cheaper, and it don't need many square meter factory, and it's easier to operate. But internal pressure need to be controlled by worker. And this single screw palm oil presser not suitable for production line. So guys, if you want to invest a small scale palm oil project, you can buy this presser. And this presser we also has stock in our overhouse. If you have some need, we can give you quickly. And the next is a double screw palm oil presser. Its oil yield is higher than single screw palm oil presser. Its capacity is more than 1 ton per hour. The smallest capacity is 1 ton per hour to 2 ton per hour. And the double screw palm oil presser, internal pressure don't need worker to control because there has a hydraulic pump station and the reducer at the tail. It can automatically control it, and it can be used in palm oil pressing line. Guys, if you have any question or if you have some need about the extracting edible oil equipment, you can enter our live show and I will introduce for you. Today I will introduce the high-yield edible oil pressing equipment to extracting the soybean oil, rapeseed oil, sunflower oil, palm oil, palm kernel oil, and so on. Our equipment is suitable for 30 cans of oil seeds. If you have some plan, or you can enter our live show and type you need in my comment area, such as your project capacity and you project raw material and you need. I will answer it for you. The last presser is a palm kernel oil presser. Its capacity is 500 kilogram per hour, and it is suitable for production line. And the internal screw has good wear resistant, and it also can use the PLC system to control. It has high degree of automatic. It's easy to operate, and this picture presser is can be control internal temperature. Okay, the next, let me learn about the production line. The small oil press line just needs 3 equipment. The first is the cooker to adjust the oil seeds temperature and moisture before presser. And then we also equip a conveyor between the cooker and the filtering, and the filter to transport the oil seeds. And the last equipment is the oil press machine with filter. It includes presser and filter. And use this presser, the crude oil quality will be higher. It's suitable for small and medium scale oil plant. Its capacity is 1 ton per day to 10 tons per 1 ton per day to 10 tons per day. Okay, next, the second type is a medium or large scale oil press line. Its capacity is higher, 10 tons per day to 1,000 tons per day. There includes more complete equipment. It includes cleaning machine and cracking machine, softening machine, flaking roll, and cooker, presser, and the filter. And inside the workshop, we also equip the oil storage tank to storage the crude oil. This equipment will more complete for pre-treatment and the price production line. So the output oil quantity is higher, and the oil yield will be stability than the small oil price line. Guys, if you have some need about the extracting oil equipment, you can enter our live show. Now I can introduce for you. Now I'll introduce different capacity edible oil production line. The first is a small oil price line. Just need 3 equipment. Can be constitute a simple production line, and the next is a medium or large scale price line. Its capacity is larger and the oil quantity is better. So if you want a high degree of automatic and high yield production line, this price line equipment we can provide for you. The working process is this, and introduced in the past used for our 3D video. If you have some need or some question, you can type them on comment area, and I will introduce for you once again. The first step is cleaning. Use 3 equipment to remove internal moisture, to remove internal impurities such as soil, leaf on the plant, and stone and mental impurities. Makes the oil seeds more cleaner. The next is cracking. To break the oil seeds. It always used for bigger size oil seeds such as soybean and peanut, to make the oil seeds broke for 4 to 6 parts to destroy the structure. Make it easy to adjust the temperature and moisture on next stage. And the step 4 is crushing. Step 5 is flaking. Destroy the oil seed structure rolling. After flaking, the oil seed will become the thin slice. Its size just 0.5, less than 0.5 millimeter. And step 6 is cooking. Use the high temperature and moisture to adjust to adjust internal state, make the oil seed state suitable for pressure, increase the oil yield. The next one is the filtering. In medium and large scale, we will use the leaf filter because it has a high degree of automatic, and the internal filter plate don't need worker clean. It can automatic clean by itself. But if you have some need, we also have other kinds of filter, such as plate filter can provide for you. This production line used for physical price process. It will give us better oil quality. The next production line is a palm oil production line. The first is a simple palm oil press line. It also equipped for 3 equipment. The first is a simple type thresher. It's suitable for 1 to 2 tons per hour, and it can use to remove the palm fruit from the bunches. Lower cost and high efficiency. After threshing, we can get the palm fruit, and then the palm fruit will enter the presser. We also have 2 kinds of presser. The first one is single screw palm oil presser. Its capacity is 300 kilogram per hour to 500 kilogram per hour. And the single screw palm oil presser has 2 power systems. You can choose it according to your need. It has diesel and motor power system. It's suitable for different power conditions, but the single screw palm oil presser not used for production line, and internal pressure need a worker to adjust. So in production you need a worker to control it. And the other kind of presser is a double screw palm oil presser. Its capacity is 1 to 2 tons per hour, more than 1 to 2 tons per hour, and don't need worker to control. Has high efficiency, high degree of automatic, suitable for production line, and the output oil rate is more stability. After pressing the palm oil, the crude palm oil will be discharged. There has many impurities. We will equip the plate filter to remove entire impurities. We will get the clean crude palm oil. Okay guys, if you have any questions, we can introduce for you. Now our live show is on time. I can answer your questions, and then I will end this live show. Okay, you can follow us, and our live show will start every week. If you have some need, you can enter our live show, and you will get our start information. You can get our information. Okay, now is end. See you next time. Bye bye.